Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the sum of all interior angles of a polygon having 5 sides. So the relation between number of sides and sum of all internal angles is given by sum of all internal angles of a polygon, all internal angles is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2, where n is the number of sides, where n equals number of sides. Now according to the question, the polygon has 5 sides, so the value of n will be equals 5. Therefore sum of all internal angles will be equals 180 degrees multiplied by 5 minus 2, which is 180 degrees minus 3, which will be equals 540 degrees. Therefore sum of all internal angles of a polygon having 5 sides will be equals 540 degrees. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.